friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken wings in an Instant Pot. For this easy recipe, you just need chicken wings, seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And we also need 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. So super simple and makes delicious wings. So let me open the lid of the Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to use a trivet that came with the Instant Pot. It just helps to keep chicken wings out of the water. If you don't have it, you can put them directly in the water. If you do, I prefer this just so the seasonings don't end up in the water. So let's add the trivet to the Instant Pot. And now let's season the chicken wings, and then we'll put them in the Instant Pot. So let's sprinkle the chicken with the seasonings. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I will flip them over and season the other side. And now I'm going to rub in the seasoning so it's evenly coated. And so now chicken wings are seasoned, and let's put them in the Instant Pot. So I'm just going to put them on top of the trivet so they're kept out of the water. And now let's close the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button, and I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked wings. Look at these Instant Pot wings. They're perfectly cooked and look amazing. Let's take them out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. Now when you pressure cook wings, they don't have crispy skin, but they're super tender. So if you care about crispy skin, you can put them under the broiler or in the air fryer for 5 minutes to crisp up the skin. But they're already so good, and I don't care about skin in this case. So they're ready, super easy to make in the Instant Pot, and let's try them. I'm so excited about trying them. So see, they're very tender, looks so moist and juicy. And let's try it. They're so good. You'll love these Instant Pot wings. This meat just melts in your mouth, super soft and tender. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!